the graphs, the graph showing the market situation of a token can actually help you or help any user actually analyze the token very well. All right, perfectly. So but most times when we check on coin market cap, the graph there is actually shitty and not too clear. Most times it's a kind of glitchy on mobile phone. That's because the market cap is not actually built for graphs. And most persons that buys new token, that want to buy new token or new coin that is just released, they don't know where to find the graph, where to find like the market view. All right, because most times not all new tokens is actually listed on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap. All right, so here I'm going to show you where you find, even if the token is released today, you find the graph of that token, whether they are buying that token, whether they're buying and selling that token or something. All right. The app that you need for this is called poopcoin. Poopcoin, okay, not actually an app, a website. All right, and all you need to actually check out that token on the graph, all right, on poopcoin is the contract ID. So let's just dive right into the video now and check it out right now. It's very simple, all right. So this is how to go about this. Go to your browser, there's a Chrome, and then type in poopcoin. So it's actually poopcoin.app. All right. Then now all you need here is the contract ID. Let me see if I can actually search a token. The video. Oh, yeah, I think I can actually search a token. Let me see, Pitbull. Oh, you can actually search a token, or if you have the contract ID of the token, you can copy the contract ID of that token and paste there. All right. So let me search a token here. The first one, WD or WDO, just paste the contract ID there, and this, it will typically display the market situation of that coin for you. For there, you can look at it in a minute, what's actually happening in the market in a minute. Then you can switch the timing to 30 minutes. Those of you that know how to do forex analysis, you could actually relate this in a daily time frame. And if you scroll back to actually show how the market has been, or as in you can scroll down to the creation of the token. You can see here, if I tap here, see where when the token was created. I think this date, what date will be here. Let me zoom this in a little bit. Around 10th of December 2021. All right, so you see the percentage by which the token has actually gone down. So you can actually make your analysis here. You can apply indicator, you can change this from candle to line views. You can do a lot of things. So here, this place, you can typically view this chart like the way you normally view your market view chart. You get it? Besides viewing the market, checking the market view of the token, if you scroll down to that, if you tap on this information that you are seeing at this top right here, now if you tap on that information, it shows you typically everything about the token, total supply, transaction, total number of transactions, the number of holders, the contract address. If I click on the number of holders, it will automatically take me to BS scan, where I'll see the total number of holders. Number of holders is about the total supply is 60,000. Okay, this one is WDO. Was it WDO? Okay, WDO. Okay, it's WDO. I search for not WDAO. So WDO is a different thing altogether. Okay,
this is what I actually wanted. The video, you can see the total number of supplies, 1 billion supply. Then you can check, go to DS count directly from DS, check the total number of holders, total number of addresses holding it, and then the percentage the first, second, and the third addresses are holding. First set of addresses are holding. Alright, so if I haven't done your analysis, let me click back. Alright, so if the same section, you can actually check if there's any news as well. Alright, so look at this. Okay, look at the real chart here of the video. Alright, so now this actually tells you the date it was, from the day it was launched, alright, to the day to the current date. Alright, let me see this, holding this down now. It was typically launched December 29th. Let me hold this down. Which day is this? Okay, December 29th. That's the day it was launched. That's the day this token was created. Alright, that the token was created, and since then the price has gone up this way. Alright, so I believe this is actually one of those my recommended coins. The video is actually coming up. Alright, so you guys should actually check it out. Alright, so let me know what you think. So if you cannot just search, remember I searched the video and then another token came up. Alright, so most times you need the contract ID, alright, to know the specific token you're actually looking out for. Alright, because nowadays a lot of tokens have a specific name. They have their names are alike. Alright, so most times you can actually go to CoinMarketCap. That is, if the token is on CoinMarketCap. Let me just, if I click on this Floki right now, I don't know what this token is. Alright, and then copy the contract ID. Alright, then go back to poopcoin, paste it here, and click on it. One thing about this, what this actually mostly review most times is, when we are buying token, we just say, okay, is it a good coin? Do they have good community? And then say, yeah, they have great community, and then we just go ahead to buy it. We fail to always check the chart to see the rate at which it is being sold. Alright, because most time when some creators create a token, they immediately you buy, they start selling. You are buying, the more people are buying, the more they are selling. The more people are buying, the more they are selling. I know that can be really devastating for the community. Alright, or if there are more people selling, now you can see this particular token here, there has been a lot of selling here all the way down to this extent, and then there is a buy beginning from here. So most times this analysis also help, using this place to actually analyze your chart also help you to ascertain when to actually buy a token or when not to buy a token. Alright, so if I had wanted to buy this token, I would have analyzed from that beginning there and then probably buy at this extent. So from here to this extent here, I would have made a profit. For those that are actually buying token daily or doing the kind of day trading with buying token, alright, you can actually analyze chart like this and then day trade, buy token and sell, buy and sell. When it rises up to that extent, sell. Alright, when it's going to fall, you typically know. Alright, so thank you for watching my videos. See you in my next video.